G'day trendsetters, just a quick video today on a few tips on what to do or what you can do with your asparagus at this time of year, which for us down here is close enough to midsummer. So there's not a lot to it. I'll just turn us around. So this is my asparagus patch, which is well and truly growing at the moment. Now, just a bit of a history. In late July, early August, I would have added a whole heap of cow manure and maybe a bit of blood and bone and that, just to get a bit of fertility into the soil, and then I mulched it like mad. So really I don't need to do any mulching. There's a few little weeds there I'll have to pull out. So basically at this time of the year, considering how dry it is around here, I'm going to have to give it a really good soak. But I'll also give it a couple of handfuls of this stuff, which is basically just pelletized composted chicken manure. So that'll be about a handful per square metre, so I'm going roughly 3 square metres there, so 3 handfuls, maybe 1 for good luck. The main reason for doing this is that the asparagus, the better it's grown at this time of year, the healthier the root system, and the more and quicker and responsive it'll be come next spring. It'll have that storage of fertility in the soil, but it'll also have the storage within the root system, make them ready to jump out the ground. So that's about it, just a quickie. Hope you found this interesting. If you've got any questions about asparagus, let me know. I'd love to hear them. If I can help out in any way, I will. But that's all I'll do with my asparagus at this time of year. If you found this in any way interesting or useful, I'd love it if you subscribe. We are shooting for the 1,000 mark that YouTube want us to have before we can monetize our site. And also, if you hit that like button, that also helps spread the word. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Just a short, g'day trendsetters, just a short and quick and short and quick, just a quick video.